Hello everyone, I am Atul Morbale and today date is 13 December 2021 and today we have discussed about the recursion in Java. So recursion in Java is a process in which a method calls itself continuously. A method in Java that calls itself is called recursive method. It makes the code compact but complex to understand. Using a recursive algorithm, certain problems can be solved quite easily. Examples of such problems are towers of Honai, that is TOH. So, what is base condition in recursion? In the recursive program, the solution to the base case is provided and the solution of the bigger problem is expressed in terms of smaller problems. So now we discuss the why stack overflow errors occurs in recursions. If the base case is not reached or not defined, then the stack overflow problem may be arised. So what is the difference between direct and indirect recursion? A fun is function fun is called direct recursive if it's called the same function fun. A function fun is called indirect recursive if it calls another function, say fun new, and fun new calls fun directly on or indirectly. So what is the difference between tailored and non-tailored recursion? A recursive function is tail recursive when recursive calls is the last thing executed by the function. Now we discuss about the how memory is allocated to different function calls in recursions. When any function is called from the main methods, the memory is allocated to it on the stacks. A recursive function calls itself. The memory for the called function is allocated on top of the memory allocated to calling function, and a different copy of local variables is created for each function's call. When the base case is reached, the function returns its value to the function by whom it is called, and memory is deallocated and the process continues. So now we discuss about the what is the disadvantages of uh, recursive function. Uh, Note that both recursive and iterative programs have same problem solving powers. That is, every recursive program can be written iteratively and vice versa. It is also true the recursive program has greater space requirements than iterative program, as all functions will remain in the stacks until the base case is reached. It is also has the greater time requirements because of function calls and returns overhead. So now we discuss the last point is advantages of recursive programming over iterative programming. Recursion provides a clean and simple way to write code. Some problems are inherently recursive, like tree cells, towers of Honai, etc. For such problems, it is prepared to write recursive codes. We can write such codes also iteratively with the help of stack data structures. So that is all about the recursive functions in Java. So thank you for this video.